Hello. In this tutorial, we will talk about the views and what the views and how we are create them and use them in a SQL. The views, they are a virtual table that consists of columns from one or more tables. I'm going to show you guys how the views we can create them. We will start with create view and I'm gonna name it like VW student as. Okay, here it will be my statement. This is the basic statement of the view, simply like that. Create a view, the name of the view as. That's it. Anything that you will create here, it will be saved inside this view, and then you will call this view later. I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna join these two tables together. I have here student table and the soccer team table, and they have, of course, shared column, which is called student ID. Remember, always if you want to join two tables, you have to have a shared column between those two tables. So I will say select the student name, comma, student class, and player position from student A. This is the alias of the, see, it's automatically the SQL recognize these two columns, but um, I just would like to add their alias, and then the other table B, and here you can say B. In case if you have two columns like player position in both tables, you have to specify this column is related to which table by selecting its alias letter, like either A or B. So on A dot student ID, where is the student ID? Um, this is I made it cell join inner join equal b dot student ID. So this is my retrieving data that's combining these two columns along with the third one. Those two columns coming from the student table, and the third one, the player position, coming from the soccer team table. So I will add this data to my view. So I will don't need uh, to re write this script next time. I will simply just calling this view, and it will retrieve for me all this data. Remember, we cannot say order by let me see, like student name. This is not here. You can do it, all right, but the view doesn't take the order by. If you want to order by your data for the view, you have to use it outside the view. I'm gonna show you how is that working. See, here it says the order by clause is invalid in the view, so you have to remove it. Here my view, it's been created. If I want to go to my view, I will go here to the views, Let me refresh it. This is my view. Okay, here I will say select everything from student view. Okay, and here where I can say order by student name. Okay, so this is the views. I'm gonna repeat the definition of the view. The view is a virtual table that is consist of columns that they are coming from one or multiple tables, not two, maybe three, four, or only from one table. And in view, you cannot using the order by, and the view does not do any modification on my data. Like the view could not update or insert or do any modification on my data. It's used for security purposes. Simply, you can make your customer using the view uh, and make him access to the view instead of the table, because in a view that the customer, if he want, or anyone if you want to delete data from the view, is not going to be deleted from the main or from the original data. But if you go to your original data, anything that you're gonna do, update, insert, delete, it will be affected, of course, on your data. But the view, it doesn't. It's only calling the data from the original source. Thank you for watching, and see you for next video.